subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 12.6. It comes with 285.61 by 184.53mm. Metal-bodied tablet has a thickness of only 5.63mm, and 12.6-inch AMOLED display. It supports a QHD Plus resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, a 16:10 aspect ratio, a 120 Hz refresh rate, a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and DC dimming. It runs on UIth13 based Android 11. Snapdragon 870 chipset is present under the hood of the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 12.6. It ships with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. For additional storage, it features a micro SD card slot. It is backed by a 10,200 mAh battery, which is coupled with 30 watts fast charging. It carries support for face recognition. It has a front camera of 8 megapixel, which is coupled with a ToF sensor. Rear camera setup of the device has a 13 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens. It is fitted with Dolby Atmos powered quad speakers by JBL. It is accompanied by a second-generation Xiaoxin stylus that offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It can be attached to the tablet for magnetic charging. Pogo pin slot on the device can be used to connect an optional keyboard accessory. On the connectivity front, the Xiaoxin Pad Pro offers a USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 port, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and GPS. It will be available in space gray color only. Price details are not confirmed. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.